Welcome to the Notification Settings tutorial. AMS Connect is a secure application for critical messaging. Tap the account icon in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. There are 3 different types of messages. Tap on each to customize the sound notification settings. Messages and alerts are peer-to-peer messages. Urgent messages are urgent peer-to-peer messages. Pager messages are pages integrated from your American Messaging pager. Tap on the preferred sound from the menu. Scroll down. In the Repeat section, select the number of times you would like to receive a repeat notification if a message is unread. These notification reminders will alert in 90-second intervals. Repeat this process for each of the message types we reviewed above. Please note that mobile device settings may override the application notifications. Visit our YouTube channel for additional tutorials.